Ever wished you could indulge in a sweet treat without the guilt? Today, we're making the impossible possible with a delicious brownie recipe. Imagine biting into a chewy, fudgy brownie that's not only mouth-wateringly good, but also guilt-free. Yes, you heard it right, guilt-free. These brownies are uniquely made without any flour, added sugar, eggs, or butter. A dream come true for health-conscious dessert lovers. Not only are these brownies delicious, they're also healthier, easy to make, and take only about 20 minutes. Now, you might be wondering, what goes into these miraculous brownies? The answer is simple, just 3 ingredients. First up, we've got ripe bananas. They're going to act as the base of our brownies, providing natural sweetness without any added sugars. Plus, they're high in potassium and fiber, making them a great choice for a healthier dessert. Next, we'll be using unsweetened cocoa powder. This is where our brownies get their rich, chocolatey flavor. Cocoa powder is also packed with antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation. Lastly, we're adding in smooth, creamy peanut butter. This serves as a fantastic replacement for butter and eggs, giving our brownies their fudgy texture. And let's not forget, peanut butter is a good source of healthy fats and protein. So there you have it. Bananas for sweetness, cocoa powder for that deep chocolate taste, and peanut butter for creaminess and structure. These ingredients not only make our brownies healthier, but they also give them a chewy, fudgy texture that we all love in a brownie. Ready to get started? Here's how you can whip up these guilt-free brownies in your own kitchen. First, let's gather our 3 simple ingredients. You'll need 2 ripe bananas, half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1 cup of smooth, unsweetened almond butter. That's it. No flour, no added sugar, no eggs, and no dairy butter. Just pure, wholesome ingredients for this healthier twist on a classic treat. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is warming, let's move on to the next step. Peel your bananas and pop them into a large mixing bowl. Using a fork or a potato masher, mash the bananas until they're smooth. You're aiming for a consistency similar to applesauce, so take your time to ensure there are no lumps. Once your bananas are nicely mashed, add in the cocoa powder and almond butter. Stir everything together until it's well combined. The mixture should be thick and glossy, resembling a traditional brownie batter. Now, line an 8 by 8 inch baking dish with parchment paper. This will make it easier to remove the brownies once they're done. Pour your batter into the lined dish, spreading it out evenly with a spatula. Pop the dish into your preheated oven and let it bake for about 20 minutes. You'll know the brownies are done when the edges start to pull away from the sides of the dish, and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once done, remove the dish from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Then, lift the parchment paper out of the dish, place it on a cutting board, and slice the brownies into squares. Finally, resist the temptation to dig in right away. Let the brownies cool completely before enjoying them. This will help them firm up and give you that perfect, fudgy texture. And there you have it, a batch of delicious, guilt-free brownies ready in just 20 minutes. Easy, right? Let's recap what we've learned today. These brownies are a breeze to whip up, requiring just 3 ingredients: ripe bananas, unsweetened cocoa powder, and creamy peanut butter. No flour, added sugar, eggs, or dairy butter needed. In a short span of 20 minutes, you've got a batch of chewy, fudgy brownies that are not only delicious, but also healthier. They're perfect for stowing away for a quick snack or dessert. So the next time you're craving a sweet treat, remember these guilt-free brownies. They're the perfect solution for your sweet tooth, without any of the guilt.